Also breaking, the father, Malia Davis, tried to attack the man connected to the child's death and disappearance. It happened today during a hearing in family court. The district attorney tells us Craig Davis jumped over a barrier in the courtroom and lunged at Darian Vince. Deputies managed to stop Craig. Vince is charged with tampering with a corpse and injury to a child. He told activist Quanell X where police could find his stepdaughter's body, which led to the discovery of her remains in Arkansas. As for Craig, he will not face any charges for today's incident.